Why did I think that was a good idea?
The wheel was finally on, and it was nothing short of beautiful.
The programming wheel. I'm so happy that it finally works. In this design, it takes 128 rotations of this crank to turn this wheel one time. This design allows for 128 beats, or 32 measures, double what Wintergatan's Marble Machine X is able to do, which allows us to play longer without sacrificing. This will be challenging because the wheel moves slower, as you can see here, which means that the pins will have to be smaller in order to have the same quickness or I will have to play at a faster tempo. Limiting factors, but if done correctly, this should work. The gears here are assembled in a 128-to-1 ratio, which means this crank will turn 128 times before this wheel makes a revolution. Look at Wilson there, he's having a good time. This wheel is made up of 4 sections. This is section 1, here's section 2, here's section 3, and here's section 4. You clearly see the disclaimer right here, and just like Martin, my goal in life is to get rid of this disclaimer. So that pretty much summarizes this addition to the Marble Machine S, and I am so excited for what the future holds for this. I cannot wait to get more pieces in place, but I have a couple of last minute announcements. Upload schedule. With my personal life and school taking a very well-deserved first place on my time, this has to come 3rd or 4th in stuff I can spend my time. So that means I have to sacrifice an upload schedule and only give an upload when time permits and when I deem something interesting enough to focus an entire 10-minute video on. And what the future has in store is really exciting. So I hope that you choose to join me on my progress for the Marble Machine S. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.